If you have 33 locks installed across multiple properties, you likely want to find a way to organize those locks within your TTLock account. And you can do this by creating groups. A group is basically a tag that you can create and associate different types of locks to. In this case, the group that I have here is called Pender, which is my demonstration lock grouping, and I have 2 locks associated to this particular group. So in order to create groups, what you want to do is you want to log into your TTLock account, click on Me, and then select Groups. When you click Groups, you'll see a list of all the groups that you've already created, and you can create additional groups here. Now, once you do that, what you'll then be able to do is go back into your lock area, choose a lock, click on Settings, click on Basics, and then from there, you can actually decide which particular group you want that lock associated to.